Going. Keep going.
Whoa.
Whoa, watch it. You tripped. Where are we going? You gonna see the baby? What's his name?
It's a picture.
There, come on, keep coming. Knock on the door, knock on this door. Say, Drew, here I am.
Drew, here I am.
I want to meet you.
Me too.
Look who it is.
I missed you so much. Oh, I'm so glad to see you. Do you want to see the baby? You do? You brought him a present? What a nice big brother you are. You know what? He brought you a present too.
What?
Where'd it go?
Where's the baby? You want to see the baby first? Okay, hold on. You want to hold the present?
Okay, that's fine. I can do it when she's feeding her.
I got a present for you.
Oh, that is so nice. He says thank you. Is he cute?
Yeah.
He looks just like you did when you were little. Should we open it up for him? Okay, let's see. Pull out the paper.
I love you, Drew.
Very nice. Paper. Reach in there again. Reach in there again.
Say hi, Ryan. What?
I brought you paper.
What?
Paper.
What?
I brought you paper. Oh, there you go. See, this is a lovey.
A frog, lovey.
A giraffe.
Here you go, Drew. Enjoy.
What else is in there? Oh, can you tell him what that is? You have to tell him because he doesn't know.
Ow.
What? A cow? The baby says thank you.
He says thank you. Look how lucky he is. That's such a nice big brother. Aw, isn't he?
Get him
Look, he's
down a little
yawning.
closer.
Here, let's all get down like this. Oh, can you see like this? Stand up. Stand like that.
All right. That was the video.
He's another